Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a really good recipe for you guys today. So today I'm going to show you how I fry apples. Yes, one of my favorites. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So I have my cast iron frying pan here, and I have my eye set to medium high heat. So now you want to add about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of like bacon grease. You don't need a whole lot. So I say about 2 tablespoons of bacon grease. And you want to add your apples. Now that I have added 2 tablespoons of bacon grease, you want to add just a little water, not enough water to cover the bottom of the pan, just a little bit. And I'm going to add my cinnamon. I have cinnamon here, ground cinnamon. So I'm going to add some ground cinnamon. So you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, or it all depends on how many apples you have. It smells amazing. So I'm going to add my brown sugar. And I'm just going to allow this to cook down. So our apples are cooking really good. So now you just want them to cook down. Got a good amount of water in them. Once they cook down, if you need to add more sugar, then you can do so then. Or if you need to add more cinnamon, you add more cinnamon. But I'm just gonna allow my apples to cook down before I add anything. But they have a really good color to them, and they smell amazing. So I'm just going to allow them to finish cooking. My stove eye is still set to medium high. So you just want to allow them to finish cooking and stir occasionally. Our fried apples come into a hard boil or a hard cook, however you want to call it. They soften it up. They cooking really well. So you just want to stir them, like the ones that's at the bottom. You want to, just move them to the top. And at this time, you can try them to see if you need more sugar. Get a small one. You can get it. Oh, they are still a little bitter. You can taste the sugar, but it's not to my desirement. So I'm just going to add a little bit more brown sugar. and just a tad more cinnamon, just to make it a little bit darker. And I'm gonna mix this around, and I'm gonna allow this to cook. Our apples has cooked down. They are done. That's it. I don't want to cook them too much or too long because you don't want them mushy. I don't like mushy fried apples. I still like for them to have a little pop to them. So they have cooked down enough to my liking. I have enough sugar in them. I have enough cinnamon in them. So all we do now is turn the stove off. That's it. Our fried apples. Don't they look amazing? Let me show you guys something. That's the water that we put in there. You got a good amount of water in there, juice, because you don't want them dry. Especially if you don't eat them all, you can refrigerate them. So have a good amount of water in there. They cook really nice and tender. Simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my fried apples. I do have a video of how I prep and cook my fatback, so go be sure to go check that video out as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you go and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Anyways, comment below and tell me what you think about these fried apples. If you have something different that you do to your fried apples, a different ingredient, you know, a different method of cooking them, comment below and let me know. It might be something I'm interested in. So as always, thanks for watching. Bye.